Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can create quote or estimate on QuickBooks. To create a quote or estimate, we need to go to sales section. If you don't see quotes here, make sure that you enable feature in settings section first. So click on quotes, click on create quote. Here, either we can add a completely new customer by clicking on add. In that case, you will need to fill in details in contact card or select one from your drop-down list. In my case, I will select Events Limited. Select the date of this quote or estimate. Credit terms can be changed. Also, reference can be added if customer have asked to quote one. Quote type, it can be quote or estimate. Also, theme or template of this quote or estimate can be changed to different color or layout if you wish to. Select one which you prefer better. Then, this is the main body for a quote or estimate. So either you can select from your items list if you have items added. Otherwise, you can just start typing description here. So I will have product 1. Select revenue or income code from a drop-down list. Select or add a quantity. So for example, I have 15 units at price of 20. If you record VAT, select your VAT. Otherwise, leave as a no VAT. If you will select VAT, VAT will be calculated there. So total is 300 and my total is 300. Next, under summary, you can provide more details if you wish to. Select bank, which details need to be displayed. I will select my current bank account. You can edit invoice payment text. Also, you can manage attachments. If you click on preview, this is how estimate or quote will look like. So this is estimate in my case. Okay. We can refresh if some changes are made, or we can save as a draft. So if you click save as a draft, you need to go to draft section and there is my estimate. To be able to send it out, you need to click under manage and click on mark as complete. Before you mark complete, you have option to edit, download or print, get an online link, attach some support documents, create an invoice, copy this quote to another quote, or mark as complete. So I will select mark as complete, and now my estimate has been gone from draft to complete status, and now I can email this out. If you click on email, you need to make sure that you provide an email address, or you can mark this quote as a send by post, or maybe you hand delivered. So I will select hand delivered, and now I can see that estimate gray envelope has changed to a blue envelope. So in this episode, I showed you how you can issue or create quotes or estimates on QuickBooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.